Greetings, I greet you in the name of our Father, Mother God. I'm light, I send you my light. I'm love, I send you my love. And peace, I send you my peace. I'm gratitude, I send you my gratitude. The divine in me greets the divine in you. Before we start today's reading from the Angel of Light, for us, the Baganda, we call him the Ejjembe Kitangala of WASSWA. I ask you kindly to make a conscious breath by inhaling in light and then exhaling out darkness. Let's do it together. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. I'll keep on reminding you that you do not come here to work for heaven, but your true identity, that is your higher self, sits in heaven. When you got here, you were programmed by the dark controllers that you are working for heaven, but in reality, your true self sits in heaven. That's the reason why is your higher self. And the moment you remember the qualities of your higher self, that you are holy, and you start pretending that you are a sinner, then the divinity comes to you because you believe in it. Because that is your divine right as a son and daughter of God. Please discover the divinity within you. All right, the reading goes like this. The Angel of Light. Greetings, I would like to sing to you. I would my words to sing to you of light, sing to you of joy, sing to you of healing. For I see, I feel the places of sadness and the places of wandering, the places of yearning for help. I see them within each of you, for there is always a place like that. Is there not? But I see the beautiful light that is coming through, the light that is yours, the light that is that says, I wish to release that, and so I am here to help you do that. Now, there is a question of deservingness. It is an issue, isn't it? In many. Do I deserve to be in a place of joy? Do I deserve to be totally healthy? Do I deserve to have my beloved ones around me? Do I deserve to have the darkness, those dark places taken? What is it that I can't do, Father? And I come to bring you this message that there is no such a thing as deservingness. It is made up term. It is made up by those who say that you can only have what you wish if you deserve it. For you can only be totally healed if you deserve it. Or you can only have abundance if you deserve it. And you say, but Angel of Light, I do not have that within me. I am spirit and spiritual, and I accept healing. It is a place, beloved, that is within the collective. Because it is the collective, it is within each of you as well. But the beauty and the joy that I bring you tonight is that can be transmuted. It is as simple as that. That is what the light does. Now is not that something to sing about, something to be joyous about. There is always this perception among many humans that we need to be very serious. But beloved, there is a place of joy. We do have joy here with us, don't we? That's the joy. That's the joy. That joy brings the light. The light brings the joy. And the threads of light that you have been gifted with this time. Yes, threads of light are yours. They can be made up into a pattern of whatever you wish. So take the time now. Set your intention for what you wish, and let us use those threads of light to sew a tapestry. So I leave you now for this sewing, and I sew along with you. I leave you, and but I am right here. You may call on me anytime that you wish to sow a tapestry with light, for that is my gift to you. And really, I wouldn't even say gift because it is your divine right, your inheritance. So sow away, my master sower, even if you are not sure about what it means to sow. For it is not something you do on a regular basis. I give you my needle and I give you my threads of light. You will find it very easy. Farewell. Namaste.